Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an AOSmith brand water heater and it's giving you an E04 error code and you need to know what's going on and what you need to do to get it fixed. So this is unfortunately not a single issue error. This error is that there is some kind of electrical error in the circuits of the upper element. So you're going to have to kind of do some investigation on this one. Checking all the different wiring and all the different circuits to see if one of them is bad, if one of them is not getting the proper electricity, not getting any at all, not getting enough, or getting too much. And then replace whatever pieces of it need to be replaced, or replacing the whole upper element if you can't localize it to one thing. But yeah, so anyways, this is what the error is, and now you know where you need to go in order to get it fixed. So I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.